Hey, I'm about to get her fixed. It's time. Look at this. Someone had dented it. It's been like what, 3-4 months now, and all my boys about to help me fix it. Let's go.
Just right. See sand scratches in this area.
Oh shoot.
Got some trash in here. That's a speck of trash, I think. Everything.
It's the imperfections. You could said that
They got painted over right there.
this used to get painted before. This is TJ. He's gonna be helping me out today. And first, we're starting off with the blueprint. They marked all the imperfections on the car. This is the biggest one right here where we're getting fixed right now. So it's gonna be a whole different car in a few seconds. Look. A hidden gem over here. Look, watch this. Hidden gem. Skyline. Oh shit, it's a frog. Oh, big boy. Big boy. There's my bumper. Dang. I took the diffuser. I mean not diffuser, the lip. So I'm gonna wrap the lip and it's gonna look different. So I should wrap this. What do y'all think? I'll probably wrap that black too. I don't know. I'm about to repaint this. I'm gonna paint this part black. They're gonna fix this, put a whole different diffuser, get a new one. It's gonna look good. Wait for the process. What up, bro? Oh, you brought me a pizza? Want a pizza? New quarter panel's on. No more dent. It's coming along. Gonna lock me out. Oh shit, bro just locked me out. What if I start to die here? See me on the ground right there. Oh shit, I just pulled it. Never mind, bro. I thought you locked me out. I thought you locked me out for a minute.
Oh,
yeah.
are you trying to pull it?
Yeah, I try to push it.
Nah, it's hard as fuck.
I was like, oh man. I thought you trying to lock. I was like, I'm dead. I'm just be on the ground next time you see me. Damn, Blaine. You broke my car. What happened? The door's out. Oh, it's a floater. You like my magic trick? You like my magic trick? Oh shit, spider. Damn, that motherfucker died.
Where?
That was a spider. Sheesh. Got the wheels painted now. And wheels look so much better. But I painted too. Painted right here to blend in with way better. It looks way better. I don't know if I should paint this black now or not, or just leave it. This wheel we had to redo because I didn't sand it good, so I'm about to paint it again. Yeah, mixing the paint. Oh, so you just change the tips?
Yeah.
Oh, and it spreads it out more. Okay. Hey, don't spray me. Sheesh. I thought you were gonna lock me out again. Last time I thought I was locked in there too. Yeah, I was just pulling it. I was like, oh shit, you playing around with me. Dang, final installment was the lip. I got it wrapped now. It looks way better than before. It used to have like faded and crazy. It's just a little dirty, but just a little clean. But yeah, shout out to my boy Blaine. Thank you, brother. Cool.